Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some conditionals, very basic if, else if, else. So let's start. Let's create a scalar variable. So let's have a look. My name, just going a little bit further. My name, I'm going to assign that to Bob. Okay. Wasn't right there. Let's just sort that out first. Bob. Okay, so if scalar name is equal to Bob, we're going to do something. We're going to say hello and then scalar name. Okay, now we've got the else if statement. So else if scalar name is equal to Bill, we're going to do something. We're going to tell the user say hi Bill. And finally we're going to do else, which is the catch-all, and we're simply going to say who are you, just to finish off with it there. So we've got my name is assigned to Bob, so if name is equal to Bob, say hello name, which will print out Bob here. Else if the name is equal to Bill, say hi Bill. Else if it's equal to anything else, say who are you. So we'll just save that, open up the terminal here. Let's zoom in a little bit, clear it, and then we're going to type in Raku new dot Raku, hit enter. Hello Bob. Okay, let's try it with Bill. Let's just save that. So Raku new dot Raku there. Hi Bill. Okay, and we're going to, let's have a look, try it with Sid. Let's just save that. So we got Raku new dot Raku. Run the program. Who are you? Okay, so hope that's been useful to you, and remember, before leaving, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.